Aloha folks, welcome back to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got three great penny stocks that you definitely want to put on your watch list. Definitely check it out this week. As always, please remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing. If you are new to the channel, just want to say welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about different kinds of stocks to invest on, dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, definitely you want to subscribe, hit that like button, join me in my little community of Ohana of investors as we invest in great companies and make some money in the stock market. So let's take a look at this company. The first one on our list is Casa Systems. Ticker symbol is CASA. This is a company that delivers physical, virtual, and cloud-native 5G infrastructure and customer networking for high-speed data. So, if you look at it, 5G is around the corner. This is one company that is going to be a big player into that 5G rollout system. Now, if we look at some of their extensive installed base of customers, as you can see, they're around 70 countries, 475 plus customers. You can see from everywhere, even from the Europe side, they're part of that system. So very interesting. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, as you can see, it is a small company. Market cap is $785. The high is $9.54. It is a penny stock. So currently right now it's at about $9. I think it's going to come close to that 52-week range. Now, if we look closely to the earnings, you can see 3 beats and 1 miss. If you look down the revenue has been doing better. The past couple of years, it's been going down a bit. Earnings has gone the other ways last year. So hopefully it'll get back to where it needs to. The trends, you can see a mixture of holds, buys, and stuff. Currently, right now, it is on a hold. The target is currently higher than the average. Now, if we look at what are the top institutional holdings are and who are they, as you can see, based on Yahoo Finance, there are 127 of them as of December 30th. Some of these companies, and I always look for the companies that I like. So here's BlackRock with 2 million. Summit Properties bought 34 million. So that is the biggest one that I've seen. If you look down to it, you can see some of the other ones. Vanguard bought for $1 million. They all bought it at September 29. BlackRock bought it at December 30, 2020. So something to kind of think about. Now, if we look at Webull, 154 institutions bought it, with 24 of them increased, 10 of them new, and 18 decreased. So if we look up to see, their price target is also at the 9. Their recommendation is also a hold based on 7 analysis. And then if you look over here, guys, if you are ready to invest, there is a link into the comment section where you can use my link for Webull. If you use my link and you deposit at least $100, you get 2 free stocks, and I get 2 free stocks. Those two free stocks are guaranteed at least $10. So definitely want to check that out. Now let's take a look at a quick one. Now look, bar chart. You can see based on the 1 month chart, you can see again. I always look for what the trend going up. As you can see, the trend is going up in the nice word stuff. It did pass the 20 moving average on the red twice, but it's still going up. It kind of touched a little bit, so it's up. Volume is pretty good, pretty steady. The MACD kind of crossed, but it's kind of flat. The Rizzo is going down to where I would like it to be. It is a little bit overbought, just a little bit. So, but I do like the trend going up. As you can see, the 3 months is also, if you look at the 3 month trend, definitely a good upward trend, good volume in there. Again, the MACD kind of cross, it's going that way. So we'll definitely go check this out, see how it performs in the next couple of days this week. The second on the list is Fat Brands. Ticker symbol is FAT. This one is a multi-brand franchising company. There's 9 restaurants, Fat Burger, Jolly Rockets, and so on. So as you can see from their website in their presentation, these are some of the strong brand recognition. You can see some of these you probably go, like Fat Burger is a great place. Johnny Rockets is one of the places. I've tried that before and it was great. Now, if you look at the 9 brands, you can see 37 countries, 36 US states, 305 franchisees. They're pretty much everywhere with 700 plus restaurants. So I look at this as a long-term possible hold. Still going to see what happens in the next couple of weeks or even stuff. But I think once the pandemic is getting better, we're opening slowly, I think this one will just skyrocket. That's in my opinion. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, you can see year to date, it's been steady. Now it's just starting going up. Market cap is 119 million. Now, if we look down to the earnings, you can see 2 misses and 1 beat. Now, the revenue has increased from 2018 to 2019, so that is a good sign. We look down, recommend trends, it still is a strong buy. It is a buy. Currently, it is lower than the average $10. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance again, we can see the top institutional holdings. Vanguard right there is in 32,000. And then this company is 49. BlackRock right there is 4,000. So those are the people that hold it. I mean, institutions that hold it on September 29. Now, if we look at Webull, 21 of them are holding it as well, with 3 increase and 6 new and 1 decrease. So if we look down to it, their recommendation is also a buy. Now, if we look at the charts based on 3-month chart, you can see it's a steady, slowly upward trend. If you look at it, the volume is pretty low at this point. The MACD has crossed up and it's on an upward trend. The Rizzo is going to the overbought stuff, so definitely something to think about. The last on the list, Kopin Corporation. The ticker symbol is KOPN. It is a company that invents, develops, manufactures, and sells components of head-worn handheld systems in the US. So you probably didn't even notice this, that they are the ones that make these LCDs. So if you can see from the timeline that they have, they usually make stuff for the military, as you can see from the pictures. So they make some of these visors with these little visuals. So if you look down even more, they're the ones that were part of the cameras on the screen. So those digital ultra small camera stuff, they were the ones that created these things. So very interesting. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, as you can see, based on Yahoo Finance, the financials, the revenue has been going up, the earnings is going the other way. Earnings, 4 straight beats, which is a good sign. Now, if we look at the market cap is 921 million. Year to date, you can see an upward trend, which is a great sign. Now, if we look at the top institutional holdings, you can see AWM Investment Company has 5 million shares. Vanguard Group has 3 million. BlackRock has 1 million. Millennium Management has another million. So good sign to see 2 of my favorite institutional holdings hold it, Vanguard, BlackRock. If we look at Webull, you can see 106 institutions holding, with 11 increase, 15 of them new, 11 of them decreased. Now, if we look closely, their high currently is $10, so it passed the high of $5. they do recommend it as a strong buy based on 2 analysis. Now, if we look at the chart based on the 3-month chart, beautiful upward trend. Look at that. That is a beautiful trend for the past 3 months. The volume has been great. Look at that. The volume is starting to increase. MACD has crossed and it's going up. However, it is on the overbought. So definitely keep these on your radar. So with that said, thank you for watching. Definitely want to check out some of my videos. As you can see from my page, you definitely want to subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell. You definitely don't want to miss some of my videos that I put out. As always, please remember these are penny stocks. Always do your research and make sure you understand penny stocks are very volatile. They go up 1 minute, they go down another minute. So always have a plan of when to come in and get out. Okay. So definitely make sure you do your due diligence and have a plan because these stocks are very volatile. You never know when it shoots down 50-20%. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. Stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Aloha.